Here's a compilation of my top CapCut tutorial videos. I hope you enjoy. If you want to learn how to change the color of the sky in CapCut for free, then follow along. In CapCut, the first step is to select the main video and duplicate it. You're then going to select the duplicated video and select Overlay. Once overlaid, you're going to scroll over and select Remove Background, Custom Removal, and you're going to color in your hand to remove the background. The next step is to select the sky color change background, and you're going to adjust it so that it fits the aspect ratio, and then you'll be ready to export. The final result should look something like this. If you want to learn how to do this effect in CapCut for free, then follow along. Once in CapCut, you're going to add in your video, and then you're going to go to the point where you want the desired effect to be an effect. You're going to split that point, and then you're going to click on the transition, and you're going to add whatever transition you want. In this case, I'm going to select the shake effect. To add the zoom in effect, you're going to add a keyframe, then scroll over in the video a little bit, add another keyframe, and you're going to zoom in. Then you should be ready to export the video. This is the final result. If you want to learn how to make this easy effect in CapCut, then follow along. In CapCut, your first step will be to select the video and duplicate it. Once duplicated, you're going to scroll over and find the overlay button. Once the video is overlaid, you're going to reposition it, and you're going to select it and go to background removal. You're going to click custom removal. You're going to use the brush tool, and you're going to color in your hand to get rid of the background. Once the background is removed, you're going to go back to the main piece of video, and you're going to scroll until you find a filter. You're going to add one of CapCut's built-in filters in order to add a grayscale effect. The next step is to select your video and duplicate it. Once duplicated, you're going to select overlay, and you're going to overlay the video under the first two. The next step, you're going to take the overlaid video and you're going to trim it so that it starts right when your finger taps the desired object. You can then add desired sound effects and match them up to the points where you tap the desired object. At this point, your video will be ready to export. Here is the final result. Want to learn how to make this cool effect in CapCut? Then follow along. First record a video in day and at night, and then record a video of your phone turning up the brightness. Then in CapCut, select the day video, overlay it, and then do the same for the phone video. Then you're going to scroll over and select remove background. Then you're going to select custom removal, and you're going to color in your hand and phone. Once that's done, you're going to want to scroll over and edit your hand a little bit so it fits the image. Then you're going to select the daytime clip, you're going to scroll over to opacity, add a keyframe, and then set the opacity to 100. Then scroll over, add another keyframe, setting the opacity to 0. And then you'll be done. This is the final result. If you want to recreate this viral giant effect in CapCut, then follow along. So first you're going to want to find a location where there's a roof that you can pretend to jump over. You're going to want to start off by recording yourself out of frame, then come into frame. Once you're in frame, you're going to jump over the building just high enough so your feet go over the roof of the building. So once you're in CapCut, you're going to scroll over and add your video. You're then going to go to the portion of the video where you're not in frame, and you're going to freeze it. Then you're going to go over and you're going to take that frozen portion of time and you're going to overlay it. Once it's overlaid, you're going to want to edit your video a little bit, and then you're going to scroll over to the part that allows you to mask. You're going to select the horizontal mask, and you're going to align the horizontal mask to the roof of the building. And you're going to want to make it so that your torso is above the roof line. Then you're going to go over to your video and you're just going to edit it so that it ends when your feet are above the roof of the building. Then you'll be ready to upload it. Once you're done, your final result should look something like this.